Did you know you could double tap the back of your phone and get a menu? Let me show you how. Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use some of the accessibility features on your iPhone to kind of do some cool things like double tap the back of your phone to pull up a menu or launch an app, anything that you want with it. I did a short on this just a few days ago and I thought it might be better suited to a video like this so I could really show you all the cool things you could do in more than 60 seconds. But before we get started, be sure to like this video if you found it useful. Click on subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss when I post new how-tos and reviews. With that, let me show you how to set this up. Okay, so we're going to go into two places to set this up, and what it does is when you double tap the back of your phone, you will get a menu where you can select your favorite music app. So let's show how we set that up. The first place is to go to shortcuts, and it's this BOT music apps, and I'm gonna tap and hold so you can see what this is. And it's just a menu with the selection of different apps you can choose from. So if you're not using any of these music apps or you don't need them, you can feel free to remove them or change this shortcut to maybe include some different apps that you might want to use, and you can rename the shortcut. So that's what the shortcut is. The link is in the description, and when you go to that link, it'll ask you if you want to add this shortcut, and you can just say yes and accept that. And then the next place we're going to go is into settings, and then in settings you'll scroll down to accessibility, and then when you're in accessibility you're going to go to touch. You're going to scroll all the way down to where it says back tap and go there, and it'll probably be off, and you'll go into double tap. And when you go into double tap, you have all these different options. So you could actually set the double tap up to do other things like system actions, or if you scroll down, you'll see shortcuts. And once you're in shortcuts, you can select the BOT music apps. And that's all you need to do. Once you're done with that, you can go all the way back out to your home screen, and when you double tap, you'll bring up your music app. Alright, well that's how you can do a double tap on the back of your phone and launch something like a menu for music apps. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Did you try it out? Did you download my shortcut? I hope it helped out. You were able to rearrange some of the icons and emojis that you could use for that. I'd love to hear if you're currently using something like this or if you gave it a try and what you think of it. Thanks again for watching everyone, and we'll talk soon.